My name is Nicole O'Brien. I'm 25. I live in LA. I'm a publicist. So when I was in high school, I ran track and cross country. And long story short, I ended up having one cleanup of my meniscus on my right side and one failed repair on the left. When I turned 25, I lost all my range of motion. I couldn't run, I couldn't do workouts. I just couldn't live my everyday active lifestyle. And when I found Dr. Saliman, all the pieces just connected, and he was exactly what I was looking for. Just really cares about the patient and really wants to get the best outcome. He doesn't sugarcoat anything. I had a pretty large horizontal tear, and it just got to the point where I was just in a lot of pain. So we went in, fully stitched it up, and I've had great results. I'm 6 months out, and the right leg feels really amazing. The left leg, when Dr. Saliman looked at my MRI, he basically told me I didn't really have anything salvageable left. So 9 weeks after my repair, he recommended to do a transplant on the left side. So that's what we did. I literally couldn't be more thankful. I'm so happy with the results. Dr. Saliman's bedside manner is amazing. He really cares about his patients. He makes you feel so comfortable in the operating room, so comfortable going into surgery. He literally called me the night of both my surgeries to check in on me, and you can tell he just cares so much. I had such a great experience. I wish I would have found him when I was in high school, but I'm happy I found him now, and I'm happy that I'm in such a great place. I would recommend him to anyone I know, everyone I know, and everybody I don't know.